Me and Matthew are currently in Luss, lovely Luss. We've been tasked with basically filming a video for a whisky company called Shackleton, and they have given us full creative control. We are just going to make an adventure video, really.
Basically.
Are you looking forward to it, Matthew?
Yeah, I mean, it started off well. With the tar, the phone.
Matthew was supposed to get to my house at 7:30, and what time did you get there at, Matthew? About
8:15.
yeah, about 8:15, and we got here. We got here for the lovely sunrise. But yeah, this is just a kind of behind the scenes vlog of like you know, what happens when we're making content together. So we'll just see what happens. So Google weather said it was going to be cloudy, and I mean, yeah, not much visibility. So I got this just for this video and this occasion. Canon RF 15 to 35mm lens f2.8, and ooh, I can't wait to use it.
Doesn't matter, I can do it without it, I can do it with this.
Did you say you forgot your shaker?
My brain's not switched on, only had 3 hours sleep.
Absolute
Shake.
idiot.
I say you can make cocktails at home, you don't even need a shaker. What's this? Andres?
Fuck off, Matthew, I don't know how to work it.
What's that? What's that?
Oh my god, Photo Finura uses Nikon. Right, how do I change the ISO?
So, rumour has it that Photo Finura is shooting in auto.
It's actually cool, man. I just don't know how to actually work it, so get it fucking up you. This is actually zooms and everything. This is crazy. I'm switching to Nikon. It's out of focus and everything.
How you doing there?
Not good. For some reason, Timby's have no grip. Who would have thought?
What is in this case? Show me. Oh wow! Look at that.
This tiny wee drone in this case.
Question is, do I trust Andres to fly a drone?
You should. I'm a fucking shit hot pilot.
He forgot his high vis. It said drone pilot on it.
I've still yet to buy that. And a helmet.
And the helmet.
The helmet's just like, it's not drone related, to be honest.
This is a brain spend operation here. I just stand there and look good and just make sure everything works, and also forgets his memory card, batteries, but I forget everything else too.
Oh man, what are the fucking chances of that? Like, what are the actual chances that we like both forget something? Like
Multiple times.
it's so stupid, man.
Really good.
Alright, and what we'll do is, for the reel, we'll do like a top down almost.
Yeah.
And then we can make it like vertical.
Oh, here. The broken, dirty egg.
But you were all holding them?
I was trying to video at the same time.
So next location, what's it called, Matty?
Inverglass.
I don't know if that's the right pronunciation, but we're here and it's still really moody looking. So next location, let's get to it. That position looks really natural for you.
Like it.
You're like a jaguar.
It's like yoga. Some are so, don't they?
Photography yoga.
How do you feel about people stealing your rocks, Andres?
Oh, raging. It makes me absolutely livid. My rocks are my rocks.
We've been up here filming. Thought, oh, be lovely to go to that wee rock down there, get a photograph. and some woman sitting up there just sprinted down as we were walking down, came out of the bushes and beat us to it. We know what to say, if you ain't fast you're last.
What does that say about us that two guys in their like late 20s get beat by like a pure middle-aged woman?
Aye. False phallic. That's false. This is phallic.
So me and Matthew are heavily cutting it fucking short for time.
As always.
So like we've not even been to Glencoe yet, and you know we've still got we've still got Glencoe, and we've only got like an hour of like daylight left. And I can only really blame you, to be honest, Matthew, because it's your fault.
Yeah, let's go. Oh, 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 oh. Looking cool, calm and collected here.
I don't feel it.
All those years and years of playing PlayStation have finally helped off.
And chugging.
And chugging.
Matthew, do you want to tell us why it's so dark?
Because we're late.
Why were we late?
I don't know.
Like, what was the initial reason we were late? Like, I feel like there was some sort of initial reason that we were late.
Well, I was late because I'm always late.
Yeah, so basically what you're telling me is that
It's your fault.
it's all your fault, really. Well, that's us finished shooting. I'd say overall a successful day of shooting.
Oh, 100%.
Go follow us on Instagram and all that good stuff, and don't know if anyone wants more content like this kind of stuff behind the scenes of content creation, then just leave a comment. Anyway, bye.
See ya.